Urie river. Urie river. Avare Purie. We are going to the river. Urie na arura. The river is hot. Megwano Urie. I want to swim in the river. Urie na foro. The river is clean. Urie na Kokodo. The river is deep. Awa Egwano Urie. We want to have fun at the river. Urie na Jijio. The river is cold. Urie na Gberi. The river is dirty. Megwano I want to go to the river. Follow us on Instagram, IG, Ukokoyono Robo. Join our Facebook group. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is free of it. I remain your humble presenter, Ekurume. Owumi Ogenenyo Robo. Wado Robo Feyono. Robo is worth learning.